It's a 757. No, 737. And landing at Bristol Airport.
I think I'm starting with this one.
And it is a Ryanair.
Right?